Okay, first step, go ahead and yank that old panel out. Next, doing a side-by-side comparison. In this comparison, you can see that the new coin holder is just a hair darker than the other panel. It's really not that noticeable once it's installed, though. Alright, when you install it, you got a couple of hinges. You can just kind of clip them right over that bar that's going across. It should snap in pretty easily. And then push it back. It will you'll get a little resistance from the wires that are behind it. But I found after a couple times of opening and closing it, it worked pretty well.